Is GoTo Resolve worth it? A comprehensive review. If you're trying to decide whether GoTo Resolve is the right tool for your IT support needs, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're diving into the software's strengths and weaknesses, and by the end, you'll know exactly if it's worth it for your team, especially when we compare it with some powerful alternatives. So keep watching because we'll also reveal an exclusive free trial deal, but stick around till the end for some surprising options that might just be better. Let's start with the basics. GoTo Resolve is a remote support tool designed to help IT teams troubleshoot and manage devices, offering features like remote access, diagnostics, and ticketing. It's aimed at teams who need to quickly resolve IT issues without being on site. The user interface is intuitive and the setup is relatively easy, making it appealing for smaller teams or businesses without a dedicated IT department. But does it really stand out from the crowd? Let's find out. Next thing, GoTo Resolve offers remote access and monitoring, which is the heart of the product. On the surface, it works pretty well. You can easily connect to a device, control it, and run diagnostics. The speed is decent, though sometimes it can lag, especially when you're working with larger files or high-resolution applications. For teams that rely on quick resolutions, this can be a deal breaker. It's not the fastest remote access tool out there, but for the price, it gets the job done. The third thing worth mentioning is the ticketing system. GoTo Resolve comes with a built-in ticketing feature that helps IT teams track issues and manage workflows. However, it's not as robust as what you might find with some competitors. If you're running a large-scale operation, you may find a system lacking in features like customization and reporting. It's great for smaller teams, but could leave larger organizations wanting more flexibility. Now, let's talk about integrations. GoTo Resolve does support integrations with a few popular platforms like Office 365, Google Workspace, and Salesforce, but it's not as extensive as some other remote support tools on the market. For businesses that rely heavily on specific software, this could be limiting. Having more integration options would definitely make it more versatile. The fifth thing is its pricing structure. GoTo Resolve offers competitive pricing, especially for smaller businesses or teams just getting started. The plan options are straightforward, but they do lack some flexibility compared to other tools. For larger teams or enterprises, it might feel a bit restrictive in terms of scaling up. You'll also have to pay extra for certain features that should ideally be included in a premium plan. Next, the support options. While GoTo Resolve provides 24/7 support, the response time can vary. In some cases, it's fast, but in others, it can feel like you're waiting too long to get help, especially for urgent issues. If you're a business that needs constant and immediate support, this might not be the most reliable option. And now, the final thing to consider, security. GoTo Resolve offers end-to-end encryption and other standard security features, but there have been reports of minor vulnerabilities in the past. This is a concern if you're dealing with sensitive data and need absolute assurance that your systems are secure. So, is GoTo Resolve worth it? It depends. For small businesses or teams with basic remote support needs, it's a solid choice. But for those requiring more advanced features, better speed, or more integrations, you might want to explore other options. Before we wrap up, I want to tell you about some incredible alternatives to GoTo Resolve that you'll want to check out. These tools offer more flexibility, faster remote access, and better ticketing systems, all with free trials available. The best part? We have an exclusive and extended free trial offer for our viewers, and through our link, you'll get access to some fantastic benefits that aren't available elsewhere. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the link in the description to grab that exclusive offer and discover the best alternatives for your business needs.